And then I bought myself a jalapeno salad dressing. And he told me, well, obviously for salads, but what he also told me is, if you make chicken, that's why I've got the chicken fillet here. He said you can also put this over your chicken. And it's jalapenos, like most of you guys knows, jalapeno obviously is my favorite chili. So we're going to try the jalapeno salad dressing over the chicken, maybe over the popper as well.
Yeah, when you first bought that yesterday, I was thinking to myself, and I think I said to you, I've never ever seen you eat salad.
Yeah.
And then that's when Dion actually said, no, you can do it on chicken. But my mind, you and salad are not on the same.
Me and salads. Me and shalish.
No, you are a meat eater.
I'm a meat eater.
There's nothing of...
Meat is meat and a man must eat.
Okay.
Yeah,
it's chicken.
Let's leave it there. Okay, well, obviously the salt. All that I did with this chicken is I just put the salt over it and I put it in the oven